my name is Dipali. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Yoga with Dipali. Friends, today we are performing very important and very effective asanas. This asanas is going to clean all the dirt and toxins from your stomach and your intestine. These asanas can be done by those who are suffering from constipation, gas, bloating. So any further delay, let's start the video. First we will do Baddha Konasana. Sit in Sukhasana. Inhale, bring the sole of your feet together. Bring your heel as close as pelvis, as comfortably as you can. अगर आपके नीज टच नहीं हो रहे हैं ग्राउंड पर तो अपने दोनों हाथों के सपोर्ट से धीरे से प्रेस करेंगे अपने नीज को. नाउ होल्ड योर फीट विद योर हैंड्स. फर्स्ट इंटरलॉक योर फिंगर्स. नाउ होल्ड योर फीट विद योर हैंड्स. Sit straight. Now deep inhale and deep exhale. Make sure your spine, your shoulder, your neck should be straight and relaxed. Hold here for 5 to 10 seconds. Deep inhale and deep exhale 5 to 10 seconds. Now as you exhale, come up, sit in Sukhasana. Slowly come back. Now sit in Sukhasana. Next we will do Malasana, also known as elimination pose, shit pose or a squat pose. So let's get into Malasana or a squat position. Bend your knees and lower your hip towards the floor to come into squat position. Now bring your palm in prayer position. Make sure your chest should be open. Sit straight. Breathe normal. Hold here for 5 to 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. अब हम मालासना में ही ट्विस्ट करेंगे, also known as Ardha Parivarta Malasana. So we will do bend your left elbow. Now catch your right palm. Now as you exhale, ट्विस्ट. सांस छोड़ते हुए हमें पीछे की ओर मुड़ना है. होल्ड हियर फॉर 5 सेकेंड. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. नाउ स्लोली कम बैक एज यू इनहेल. सेम हम करेंगे अपोजिट साइड. नाउ बेंड योर राइट एल्बो. कैच योर लेफ्ट पाम. नाउ एज यू एक्सेल, ट्विस्ट. होल्ड 5 सेकेंड. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now as you inhale, slowly come back. Next we will do the camel pose, also known as Uttanasana. अपने नीज पर खड़े हो जाएंगे. Now both your palms on your lower back. अपने दोनों हाथों को अपने लोअर बैक पे रखेंगे. Now हाथों के सपोर्ट से धीरे से बैक बेंड करेंगे. Slowly back bend. Now push your hip forward over your knees and open your chest to the sky, to the ceiling. Hold here for 5 to 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now slowly come back. Sit in Vajrasana. Next we will do the bow pose, also known as Dhanurasana. So lie down on your mat. Now bend your knees, stretch the arm back and hold the right ankle with your right hand and left ankle with your left hand. Take a deep breath in and as you exhale, pull the leg up by rising the knees, lifting the chest up. Maintain the pose and hold for 5 to 10 seconds. Breathe normally. Now release the ankle, straighten the leg and bring the head to the floor. Relax. You can do this 5 to 10 times. Next we will do Cobra pose, also known as Bhujangasana. Your back, your upper back should be straight, your neck should be straight. यहीं से हम करेंगे twist. Now as you inhale and exhale, Deep inhale, and as you exhale, turn your head right side. Now look your left ankle. Inhale, come back. Exhale, turn your head left side. Look your right ankle. Inhale, center. Exhale, turn your head right side. Inhale, center. Turn your head left side and look your right ankle. Straight. Inhale, center. Now come back slowly. Go down. Now release your hands. Next we will do Balasana. Sit in Vajrasana. Now open your knees. अपने चेस्ट को, चिन को मैट पे रखेंगे. फुल्ली स्ट्रेच करेंगे आगे की ओर. होल्ड हियर फॉर 5 to 10 seconds. Now slowly come back. Next we will do spinal twist asana. Now sit in Sukhasana. Sit in comfortable pose. Deep inhale and deep exhale. Now as you inhale, raise your left hand on your right knee. Now as you exhale, twist. सांस छोड़ते हुए हमें पीछे की ओर मुड़ना है. Now as you inhale, come back. Now inhale, raise your right hand on your left knee. Now as you exhale, twist. सांस छोड़ते हुए हमें पीछे की ओर मुड़ना है. Now as you inhale, come back. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe, share and like the video. For more yoga related video, do check my channel. Thank you.